To set up an Authorize Net payment form, start by creating an account on the Authorize Net website. Once you have an account, log in and navigate to the Account section, where you will find your API login ID and transaction key. These are essential for integrating the payment form with your website. Next, choose the type of payment form you want to set up, such as a simple payment form or a more advanced hosted payment form. The simple payment form allows customers to enter their payment information on your website, while the hosted payment form redirects customers to a secure Authorize Net page to enter their payment information. To integrate the payment form with your website, you will need to use the Authorize Net API. You can use a programming language such as PHP or Java to create a script that interacts with the API. The script will need to include your API login ID and transaction key, as well as the customer's payment information. When setting up the payment form, make sure to include all the necessary fields, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. You should also include a field for the customer to enter their name and address. To ensure the security of the payment form, make sure to use a secure protocol such as HTTPS and to validate the customer's payment information. Using the Authorize Net API, you should also comply with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which requires you to protect sensitive customer information. In addition to setting up the payment form, you will also need to configure the payment settings, such as the payment gateway and the merchant account. You will need to specify the types of payments you want to accept, such as credit cards or e-checks, and the currencies you want to support. Once you have set up the payment form and configured the payment settings, you should test the payment form to make sure it is working correctly. You can use the Authorize Net sandbox environment to test the payment form without actually processing any payments. By following these steps, you can set up an Authorize Net payment form that allows customers to securely enter their payment information and complete transactions on your website. Remember to always follow best practices for security and compliance to protect your customers and your business.